Hello, you're watching the Unit B Concept 2 video from Mrs. Kamise's Language Arts class. After watching this video, you should be able to choose the correct form of the irregular verb. All verbs have four principal parts or basic forms. The four forms are present, present participle, past, and past participle. We will be covering the verb tenses in greater detail in a future lesson. Notice that helping verbs are used with the present participle and past participle forms. Most verbs in the English language are regular and follow specific rules. To form the past and the past participle, D or ED is added to the present tense verb. The present participle is created by adding ing to the end of the present tense verb. The table demonstrates how different forms of regular verbs are formed. The present tense verb paint is changed to present participle by adding the ing to the end. The past and past participle are created by adding ed to create the verb painted. As the chart shows, sometimes when you add ing or ed to the present tense, the spelling may need to be altered for some of the verbs. Notice when the verb cry is changed to past tense, the y is changed to an I before adding ed. Also, an extra n is added to plan before adding the ing or ed. Pause the video now and fill out the verb form chart with the correct form of the present tense verbs given. Verbs that do not form the past and past participle by adding d or ed are called irregular verbs. In some cases, the past and past participle forms of an irregular verb are spelled the same way. Often, however, the past and past participle are not the same. You should find a list of common irregular verbs in your SSS packet. Check the dictionary if you are unsure about an irregular verb form by looking up the present tense form. The irregular verbs in the table demonstrate how they do not follow the regular rules. The past and past participle form of teach is not teached. Taught is the past and past participle form of teach. However, you may have noticed that the past and past participle form of the irregular verb go are different. The past tense is went and the past participle is gone. Many irregular verbs can be changed to the past participle by adding an n to the present or past form of the verb. The verbs shown, broken, driven, eaten, given, grown, spoken, and many others follow this rule. Now it's time for you to show what you know. In just a moment, you are going to be taking a look at 7 sentences. In those sentences, 2 forms of the same verb are located within parentheses. In the practice example section of your SSS packet, write the correct form of the verb found in parentheses. For a further challenge, in the second column, label the verb that you have chosen as regular by writing an R on the line or irregular by writing an I on the line. Practice example number 1. The planning had begun or had begun last September. Number 2. The town had vote or had voted to fund the addition last year. Number 3. Everyone knowed or knew that the office was overcrowded. Number 4. Next month we are planning or are planned a dedication. Practice example number 5. They asked or had asked for advice from many community residents. Practice example number 6. I saw or have seen the size of the new conference room. And finally, practice example number 7. Everybody in town has trying or has tried to be patient. Pause the video and complete the 7 practice examples. Once you are done, resume the video and check your answers. Practice example number 1. The correct verb is begun, and it is an irregular verb. Number 2. The correct verb is voted, and it is a regular verb. Number 3. The correct verb is new, and it is an irregular verb. Number 4. The correct verb is planning, and it's a regular verb. Practice example number 5. The correct verb is asked, and it's a regular verb. Number 6. The correct verb is have seen, and it's an irregular verb. And number 7. The correct verb is tried, and it is a regular verb. Hopefully, you did well on the practice examples. Now you need to make sure that you complete the summary and question section of your WISC on lined notebook paper and place it behind the sheet of irregular verb forms in your language arts binder. Make sure you come to class prepared to discuss the concept and you are ready to get down to work. Also, take the Unit B Concept 2 Mastery Quiz if you feel that you are ready.